Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. So, the squad is out. People can't tap cuss. Who give up on the Reggae Boyz, who say, boy, they can't bother, who talk about quota system. All of this, all of that, and everything else. But guess what? We're still here to have a good time and give you guys some content. Now, before getting to the YouTube stuff, you know what? Let me make you know exactly what I do. I'm going to select two squads. One with the 3-4-3 system or 3-4-3 formation. Two with a 4-4-2 formation. But what I want you guys to do is tell me which one of these teams do you like the best. Just go in the comment section and tell me which one of the team you like the best. Now, let's get to the YouTube stuff, which is hitting that like button. You already there watch a video now. So you already there watch a video. You already watch a video. So me not see the difference and time. Ha! Me sweat. So hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. You're done there. You're done there, no? You're there. You're already there. So hit the subscribe button, right? Hit the share button. Since you're there, since you like the content, make some other people know what go on. Tell your friends. Tell a friend. And also, you can also support us by buying us a coffee. Link is also in the description and in the comment section. It will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Now, see that? Now, bottom. All right, so for those who know, we live in Portmore. Place hot. And yes, it's sunset. Let me drink something. Let's get to the meat of the matter. So, do the YouTube stuff. And we are right now. Let's get back on track. So, here we go on now, people. So, we have two squads we're going to drop. You are going to tell me which squad I like it best. I'm going to explain to you the reason why I select this particular squad. Two players. Well, some are going to names of the players that are out. So, these are the players who are out. When I say out, they can't play. They can't play because of multiple reasons. One, them injured. So, this is the injured squad. Big squad, you know, injured list. Big. Them are agree. Amari Bell. Them are great. Amari Bell. Joel Latibodier, Ethan Pinnock, Andre Blake, Dujan Richards, Liam Bailey. So those players are out. Those players are out. Let's get to the squad now. Let me bring it up. Oh, Lembi Kisa and Casey Palmer won't be able to play the first game. Let me make you know that from now as well. Lembi Kisa and Casey Palmer won't be able to play the first game. So, if you know Lembi Kisa here, I already give a proper explanation why he's not there. Because he won't be able to play the first game. Both of them, they're cut, then carried out. Understand that? Good. So, this is the team we have. This is a 3-4-3. Now, it's a 3-4-3. And this is a team that I would say, you know, I don't want to see the team here. Waiting goal. Bernard. Back three of Bernard, Hector, Damian Lowe. A lot of persons say, boy, why never have Damian Lowe bring him back in at the midfield, middle of the park? Bring back Damian Lowe in the middle of the park. But I think that Kieran Anderson, coming off a really good season, especially in that position, I think incompetent enough to get the job done. So I have Kieran Anderson and Greg Lee in the left wing back position. Right wing back, I have Tavon Gray in the right wing back position. As I said, many persons asked about Lembi Kisa. As I say, Lembi Kisa cannot play the first game. So for the second game, I will do something different. I will do a different setup for the second game. Yeah? So I'm going to see the first game go for. I'm going to see the first game go. For the attacking lineup, we have Ronaldo Cephas, Shamar Nicholson, Bobby Reed. Yes, that is it. People are going to say, boy, no. Where Antonio there? One. I understand that Antonio works extremely hard. I understand that Antonio is our top quality player. But if we should go by goals for our team, for the last couple of games, Shaman Nichols have outscored Antonio. Like the last 5-6 games, Antonio haven't scored. Probably last time Antonio scored was 2021. I think not that. When the last time he scored? Last time he scored was versus USA. Long time. But Boz have significantly given us some goals in recent times. So, I'll go with Boz. People are going to say, boy, look at the farmer in club. Hey. This is international football, yeah? Sometimes the farmer in club don't do nothing. Sometimes. Leon Bailey for a perfect example. Farmer in life in club, come play for the national team. Why? Besides, we still want in our team because of Leon Bailey. Anyways, so let's get back to the meat of the matter. So, I'm going to jump to the next team now. This is how the next team I'm going to set up. So, I'm going to jump back to a back four. Go back to the back four now. Gregory in the left back position. Now, at this point in time, 4-4-2. 4-4-2. Anyways, so we have Gray in the right back. Remember, Lembikisa won't be here. Bernard and Hector, centre back. In the midfield, we have Damian Lowe and Kera Anderson. We can also have Damian Lowe and Daniel Johnson, but I'm going to put Kera Anderson. Still, I'm going to stick with Kera Anderson. Bobby Reed on the right. I have Antonio and Boza leading the line for the 4-4-2. So what I wanted to do, go into the comment section. I want you to tell me which one of those two teams do you like the best. Now, also, you can go in the comment section as well. Tell us if the formation you're using and select your team. And let's see how that one compare. Just rate both teams out of 10. 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10. I expect to see 1 out of 2 out of 10 still. You know, not really matter to me. Especially one where they know see Mikel Antonio. Hey, people go get scared of man. Hey, let's get out of hand. Anyways, so that's my two teams, people. Go in the comment section. Tell us what your two teams are. Hit the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. Can these two teams just get the job done? In my view, because of my team, yes. Why coach feet? Must me. Of course, me can coach him. You know what I mean? Just go pint on the sideline and say, hey, inside, outside, wide. Anyways, I just remember, I know football more than that still. Yeah. We can actually give some tactical instructions. But on the sideline, I can definitely give some tactical instructions on the sideline. Me not that bad, people. But big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And now and just make sure you tell us which one of the squad them two you prefer. See you guys again. Until next time, people. Enjoy the rest of the day. God bless. Buy us a coffee. Link in the description. And also the pinned comment section. See you guys again. MG Sports TV. Oh, God bless. Boom. Enjoy the rest of the people. Mad. Yo.